Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly stock market update, and we will figure out is it still bearish trend on weekly time frame or it's market trying to change direction. Let's do technical analysis review and figure out. As usual, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a time for VBull. VBull, if you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Now let me briefly mention about my setup. I am using moving averages, white line MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, green line MA 5. Below MACD indicator lines are RSI indicator lines. That's all, very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. If you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Like on my chart, you see here, on my chart, emotions, indicators do not have emotions. Like my chart, green line, MA5 did bearish crossover over red line. It is bearish trend. You see bars? When bars were above green line MA5, it was bullish. When bars moved below MA5, it was bearish. For me, it was entry for short position. Here, green line MA5 did bullish crossover over red line. In this case, over yellow also, it even more confirmed. It's a bullish. You see bars move above MA5, it is bullish trend. Here, green line did bearish crossover over red, bearish trend. Very, very simple. Just follow the trend. Don't fight with the trend. USA dollar weekly last bar still above all moving averages, bullish trend, right? Let's check daily. Same story. Last bar above all moving averages, bullish trend. Let me delete. Bullish trend weekly and daily. Qs. Let's start Qs. Daily time frame. Last bar just close below M8 100. Below all moving averages except 200. It left gap above bearish trend and last bar disconnected from M8 20. But trend is bearish on MACD and RSI. RSI in very oversold territory. Definitely we can expect next week some bounce because it's oversold. Weekly time frame, huge bar, huge negative week. It did a lot of reversal, very powerful, bearish crossover, bearish trend on weekly time frame. For Qs, it is bearish trend, right? Let me Now let's move S&P 500. Let's start S&P 500 daily time frame. 6 days in a row, red bars, last bar almost touched MA 100. It could be strong support, it can bounce from it. Bearish trend, RSI and Heikanaichi bearish, RSI in very oversold territory touched below 30. Below 30, it's bearish territory. Same like Qs, right? On daily, look at it. Bearish, last bar close below 100. And it's our RSI in oversold territory. And you see it was powerful. A lot of power, a lot of volume. Similar on S&P 500, SPX. Very oversold, but SPX it didn't close below 100. It just almost touched 100. Bearish trend, oversold. Weekly time frame for S&P 500, last bar touched MA20. It can bounce from it next week, but bearish crossover, bearish trend. Even if it's bounce, it's expected. It can be next week can be green, but trend is bearish. So far about 20. We need to move below 20 to confirm bearish trend. Okay, now let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. MA5, 10 and bars move below all moving averages, except 200, bearish trend. Now MA100, it is resistant line. Resistant line. Still bearish trend daily. RSI was in very oversold territory, still bearish trend. Weekly time frame, last two bars they touched MA20 yellow line, MA5 did bearish crossover, bearish trend. Bearish trend on all indicators weekly. RSI not oversold, but trend is bearish. Okay, let me delete, just make it clean. Bearish trend. Now IWM. IWM daily. IWM daily, what's going on, right? Let me see. Last bar below all moving averages except 200, clean bearish trend, right? It's a lot of, it can touch 200 and can bounce from it. So far, RSI, it's just touched oversold territory. MACD bearish, all indicators bearish, bearish trend daily and weekly. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, last 3 weeks it's bearish trend. Last bar touched MA200, MA200 strong support, it can bounce from MA200. All indicators did bearish crossover. That's what we observed. Bearish trend on weekly time frame. Apple, let's start daily. Price action bearish, left gap above, all indicators they have bullish divergence. Divergence, it means it's a condition, it's building condition to get bounce. Trend is bearish. Weekly time frame, last bar, you see it moved below MA200 and it touched MA100. MA100 could be strong support, it can bounce from it. Trend is bearish, RSI close to oversold territory, bearish trend. Weekly, right? Daily and weekly, Apple is negative bearish. Tesla, let's start Tesla daily. Tesla daily, bearish trend, bullish divergences, same like Apple. Nvidia daily, bearish reversal, last bar moved below MA50, bearish trend on all indicators. Nvidia negative bearish, last bar below MA50. Weekly time frame, you see 4 weeks in a row it did red bars and MA5 ready for bearish crossover, and last bar moved below MA5 and 10, still above MA20. Indefinitely it can touch the MA20, it can bounce, but all indicators already did bearish reversal signal on weekly time frame. Still in a positive territory, but it started bearish reversal signal. Microsoft, let's start Microsoft daily. 4, 5, 6 days in a row bearish trend, last bar touched MA100, MA100 strong support, it can bounce from it, all indicators bearish, RSI touched oversold territory. Weekly time frame, huge bearish reversal, last bar touched MA20 yellow line, MA20 strong support, it can bounce from it. It did bounce here from MA20, bounce here from MA20. Can happen the same here. Yeah, daily bearish and weekly bearish for Microsoft, right? Now let's move to Amazon. Amazon daily bearish trend, last bar below MA50, bearish trend on all indicators, RSI very close to oversold territory, still bearish. Google daily MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, and last bar touched MA20, bearish trend on all indicators. Weekly it's not good because of the split. And Meta, let's start Meta. Meta daily. Meta daily MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20 and 50. Last bar below 5, 10, 20 and 50 bearish trend, all indicators bearish. RSI close to oversold but bearish trend, bearish divergences on all indicators. Right, bearish trend. Weekly time frame. Last 2 weeks red bars, last bar closed below MA5 and 10 but still above MA20 yellow line. All indicators MACD RSI did bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal for Meta on daily and weekly. Now let's do summary. Like I already told you, dollar still bullish daily and weekly. It's bearish for equities and indexes. All indexes and equities already bearish on daily and weekly time frame. Just don't fight with the trend, follow the trend. Next week we can expect some bounce because, like I told you, RSI in very oversold territory, and we are in the earning season, and next week can be bounce, can be green days, even green week. It could be expected, but trend already reversed to bearish. That's all from my side. Let's move to my disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.